Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the obvious, but quickly. Inspect each AirPod and the case for lint or corrosion because physical debris often causes static. Once done, reset Bluetooth on your phone and pair with a second device to determine if the noise is source-specific. Make sure the charging level is above 50% and install any firmware updates. Outdated firmware can introduce audio artifacts. This sets a reliable baseline, so the deeper cleaning and electronic fixes will be meaningful. You now remove contaminants and stabilize the signal. Gently brush speaker meshes and use short bursts of compressed air at a shallow angle to clear particles. Do not introduce liquids because moisture damages drivers. Next, toggle noise control modes to force microphone and firmware recalibration, which often removes intermittent static. Then reduce RF interference. Switch Wi-Fi to 5 GHz or move away from routers and microwave sources because overlapping bands and crowded environments can create crackling. Finish by forcing a clean software state. Perform a factory reset and repair your AirPods because software corruption sometimes produces static. Once reconnected, test left and right individually and swap ears to determine if one driver is failing. Localized noise points to hardware faults. If static remains after all steps, escalate. Contact Apple support or pursue warranty replacement, since continued crackling often means an internal component or microphone issue that requires professional repair. One troubleshooting tip: record audio while playing to capture the noise for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.